Ia, ai fifi lava nei tai au le ua matu wheloi nei mai sui o le tātou Universite o le Pasifika i Alafua, ia wa foi le whaalau i lo ina o le toi tāpena o whanau i le toi ai ai sa Mr. Luo tūlanga tau le awa ongo nei tūsanga. Good morning, Ruta. Good morning, nau nei tai au, malolo sai fō manuia.
Tai manuia.
Ia, vi ele tua leo tātou wheloi nei tai au fōu, nātu foi o apena foi o na pisi le toi amatali o nei whanau ia. O wa las tūlanga i tātou enrollment lau sunga, Ruta nei tai au.
Malo la whaftai ia. O le e whailo atu fo i wa le vaitaimi nei o lo whanga solo i pea ia le tatalaina lea po le restalanga o le vaituanga lo na lua. O lo mau pele vanoa. So far a wasa o le restalanga sa amata tatala mai ina ua mai ia le whaiungo suenga i tausanga o te ia Novema.
Okay.
Le lava lai whaawawina. Mana ia le whainga fo i o nei whanau. Ia, ai me se fo i tāta whainga ruenga ia toi whaawawina ia awa onga. Lo whapena le sala le ile nei vai tuanga. Ia o nisi fo i o lo whaawawina mai le vai tuanga mua. Ia o isi fo i tangata wo. Ia tau sanga o ile i toi a onga. Ia le nga toi ngā solo tu fo i toi whaawawina.
Le alai whanga solo nei teimi.
Ia sa o le o lo tatala pele ava noa. Whangataina le lesa fo le aso losi wha o Iulai, which is lesa for Riley. O le aso le matalia ai le orientation po le wha masani le nei Alafua. Wa sa wha apeona wha taunuina malmanuia. Ia le orientation i le la le sa lolonga i sa vai ana nafi. Le lai tatala i rwhai tutoa mo nei le tae au. A matala le se fulu e fo inisi po kalame. Pala wiloi fo i a vainga i se ese tono le universite. A mai se fo i o pokalame o lo whaapeona a o tawina ma o lo awhaina. O le ngasolonga fo ele restalanga o lo whaatino lea online. E ia le vainga i lunga le poro mo e fo. Ia nisi fo i e whaawawina i a onga. Mo fo i so soani a whaape wei e a nisi e whaawhaingata le access lea online a awe te popole o lo mola vanua te sua tua i le mata ofisa. E fe so soani e tu fo i whaina o lau restalanga.
Yeah, now, how's the orientation from Savai yesterday? Is it good?
Yes, thank you. Yes, the orientation yesterday was well. The turnout was really well. So it's more like a general information package.
Okay.
Our campus director and our student SAS coordinator and our PACTEF coordinator, they traveled across with our IT support and handled the orientation yesterday for Savai student. Like I said, the turnout was great, but that is not our final student number. Our registration is ongoing. It's finished next Friday. And by then, if the Savai people still want to continue registering, please do contact us. 21671 is our number. Call us or just give an email. We also want to thank, we have a staff in Savai, Lee Sonnet on my pair. So Lee Sonnet looks after all our Savai students.
Okay.
Whether it's whatever area that they need help, whether it's library or academic or finance, this is the person that they go to. This is the person that the Whanawhawai can contact to in terms of financial, if they want invoices or whatever that Savai people want in terms of USB to serve them or whatever information that they need. The son is there in Savai at our Sale Lolonga Center, and he's there to serve anyone that's interested to know more about USB. But today, it's our orientation for Upolu.
Okay.
For our Samoa campus here. It kicks off at 10.
Yeah.
We will have our general information at 10, like all the administration services and that, and then after that, then the academics will come in, where the schools will come in at 11. At 10 too, we have a counselor coming in.
Okay.
Yes, so we have also a wellness part of our orientation this morning for wellness. Counselor comes in, have a discussion with the student because, you know, when you study, there are a lot of pressure that comes, not only peer pressure, presentation, there's a lot of transition that the student goes through at this time of life and also this era of, this generation.
so many things that can affect them throughout their education. So we have that at 10, and then 11, we'll have the schools doing their orientation, and then they'll have lunch. Then 1 o'clock, there's a transition workshop.
Okay.
This workshop looks at how you access our webpage, our Moodle, how you fill up evaluation form.
Okay.
These general skills that you need, how you do research on the library website, for you. And then later on, of course, in the semester, that they'll offer skills workshop for our students. Thank you.
All our form for registers online, eh?
Yes.
Is there any possibility for me for using online you to fill a form?
A manual.
A manual
Yes,
one?
Yes.
Okay.
A lot of our Samoans still prefer manual.
Yeah.
I think it's because of the that they need support, that they need assistance. They need to confirm that their form is going through, They feel that manual will be more faster than online.
Yeah.
So we do understand this, and it's not only in Samoa, like we say, USP is made up of 12 island countries. And this happens in all our campuses throughout our Pacific Islands. So what we do have the online one.
Yeah.
And online, there is one for resumption study. I want to make a note of this for you who wants to finish off your program or your study with USP. You started, but you haven't finished. There is a portal for you. You do not go and register or as a new student, or you go and go straight to register online. There is a resumption of study. All you need to do, you remember your ID number and enter on that.
Okay.
And then USP will give you a new password. That's when you start doing your registration. But that's for online registration.
Okay. Ruta o hani mai ka tau ale anga i tatu whamasani presentation layers.
Kei o vainga tau ale wha tino ina nei a sere po kalami wha atatia fo ile USA nei ala fua. E wha manino i fo i ma awil ili i nei whanau i e fo. Manai whanau fo e wha wina ia o onga. I vainga ta itasi o po kalami ese. Awa ese uma ia o USP e wha ilonga ia po kalami ta itasi e ia onga ta itasi. E lea onga e patino lava lato e mta upu whaalo ia. E lea onga mo le agriculture. Le e whatuanga e fo i lea onga mo science o mta upu ese uma lava. E o foi wha pisinisi e iai. E ila le taimi o po kalami ne e isui e wha malama uma ia po kalami ese o requirements e mana umia e whanau. For example, nei whanau ia Mata Foundation. E offer for information. E whai for lato whilwhiringa. I le level whaatike po lale po kalami e whetau i le lei mo lato. E le ngata fo i le whaatala nua ina o po kalami. Ai fo le vaenga whaataua i le whaatala nua ina lea o whanau a onga tati malama i fo ita wa sa fo i as a student e taimi e langona i le stress o kele ia vaenga wana wa pole solo i lota mawhau e la le session whapitoa nei tai au e sosoani i fo i whanau i au wala i fo ia whawhita uli i lo o langa au ina
Sao mana ia teri
i e whamanatu fo i mo nai whanau fo i po e le motu i salawhai e tau leo mai lawa nei i ala fua e whai lau restala. O lo iei fo in mata office e salo lunga. O le au nanga le o whai nei ala fua. O le au nanga fo ina i salawhai. E whao ta i ala i ale se mata usuile i ali sone e tonu mai pea.
E peo le whawhita au li avo i le rutai nei tātou tangata. Lea tātou te moli mawina. O lea tau whamasani a tātou tangata me le online service.
Sa o le lei.
E pole awa i whai ate online le me le e fesilia tātou tangata whamole peise me whātumu.
Sa o lei. I le vaenga le, sa o le lei e ia nei mātua fo i manai whanau. E o atua inga o tale officer. Whainga tāi e la tau o na whaongale online. Ia mate whailoi fo i e le se me popole ai. O le susua tu fo i le officer. E le lei fo i e malamalama atile fo i nisi au nanga lo awhaina e le universite. A fia whaatu lau manual, o le mea taulia, pe wha o umatu ia mea mana o mea peolo pe whanau, o tu spasi mo mai lea onga, a whapea fo te whainga luenga o sau updated CV, ia ma tu si reference mai i le whainga luenga o le whainga luenga ai. Ia tau au le tunga inga uta, e tu sa le form le whaatu mo whanau fōu.
Ia.
Ma le fōu fo le whaatu mo i lātou ia whawawina ia awa onga.
La se numero tūlanga o i tatu a onga nei te mi mai le kata mua ngai kata rua nei. E se swinga ho.
I
Nei
pe
se na apa nei tamaiti.
whailoa atu fo i nau. Kusa i tau sanga uma e improve ale le au whainga o e le stala. O le taimina nei o le matiwa ai lunga le online o le improve ia le number. Pa e whako ati determine ale au whainga atua pe a mai ia le pa tapunia alua ia le restalanga online.
Yeah, now, there anything else you want to add on?
Yes, I just want to discuss the opportunity, the financial opportunity that is that USP offers. Again, we do have the government of Samoa that support many of our students. Not only the government scholarship, but also the Whana Whāwai, so Whawhitai Tele Lava, Malole Ono Sai, government of Samoa for that. A lot of our students are coming in, and we have more students coming in.
Yeah.
It's a great time to study right now. You have so many opportunities. So for USP, we have a USP Pastry Scheme.
Okay.
So this scheme is offered in 3 categories. There's a 50%, 75%, and 100%. I'm talking about your tuition fees.
Okay.
USP can cover 50, 75, and 100%. And this goes to the low-income earned families.
Okay.
So if your parents or if your family cannot afford to pay for your fees, please do come see us. There are criteria and there are things that you need to prove. But you are all eligible. You are all eligible for this.
Okay.
So the only criteria, the main one, you have to first have 1 semester with USB.
Okay.
Meaning you're already a current student of USB or was a current student of was a student at USP, then USP can help you with that. Okay. There is, like I said, there are things that you need to, from your side, to provide, and then USP will see whether they will fund the whole tuition fee or half of it or 75% of that. And we have students from semester 1 that are on this. Master student, postgrad students, so it goes for all, starting from bachelor.
Okay.
But for foundation student, like I said, the government of Samoa provides. So for this year, there were 19 students that applied for the government of Samoa from the foundation.
Okay.
And the government of Samoa was approved all of them.
Okay.
Yes. So all you need to do is to to try.
Yeah.
That's all you need to do, try. Just don't leave it to the last minute, but it's good to try. Thank you.
Nei vaenga ia ua tano mai nau ni tai au na ruta le vaenga foi lele e peo tūlanga pili a fisosoani le malo e me fisosoani le tatou wa onga USP a me se la fisosoani le fonu whaavai
Ia, sa o
la
le.
tūlanga ia ia nei tamaitia wa le sautara no ni tai au ia ili tūlanga foi lele o nei e iai vaenga peo nta ua e suti la solua le matanoanga e iai nei officio fonu whaavai o atu e mai result tamaitia tau fio to te longa watu tamaititi la sau whaamanga le
Ia, sa o le
vaenga
i vaenga le e mole tu fa tai fon fa vai ta itasi a.
Ia.
I tele fo nei fa nau i USB. Ta mole va noa e te tonga ile fon fa vai o la tau pili a onga.
Ia.
Ia fo inisi tu sa penga to tonga ngali lima su pasene po sina vaenga. Ai at least o la ua maua se fa mama avenga la tau pili a onga. Ai sa ola ile vaenga le nei fa nau ia nga sponsor fon fa vai mai le vai tuanga mua.
Ia.
Le ala wa out ia results.
Results.
If I lotu fo ina matua o lo wa out ia results. Im fai fo fa nau nga access la to results. Al vaenga le fon fa vai fa pe mana o mie fon fa vai ia results fa nau. E susu atu la ele o atu fon fa vai e o atu ia fa nau.
Ia.
Talo sanga atu la to e ia matou sui ile office e patino ile vaenga le talo sanga sa o ia fa nau e release mai la ko fai o su enga ia fa ko am fai la ia nga ave ile fon fa vai. A wai au nga fo ile le sila fia fon fa vai o results.
Ia.
E loi fo ipo o alu au nga ia tupe ia mo le tongina o pidia o nga nisi o students ale USP. Pe ia fai fo le wala ia toe fa awa wina fo ile so soani. Pa olo ia so soani na fon fa vai. Mo nai fa na fo ile fa pe a matalia fo I nei vai tuanga.
Ia.
Ele ngata ile fo isi fa mama avenga le USP. E le vaenga leo le wa le 5% ia le tau to e sea mai nisium ta upu.
Ia.
Matatula i le level leo le whaatikeria nga i lunga i Bokalame Maualulunga. E fo ile si vaenga le whainga tatoni le 5% ai tu atu pe e ile criteria ile plan po le form e whaatumu e whailoa i le tutongi ina o le si pāleni le tsoelo o le pidia unga.
So soane na tatou au.
Sa le.
Malo whaftai. Ia, e te si vaenga whai lau sunga ruta me soi nau, is there anything?
Yes, I just want to, one last, we do have a 50% installment payment plan.
Yeah.
That is, you pay 50% of your fees and you have the other 50% to pay all the way up to your final exam. When you sit just before the week of end of lecture, you have the other 50% to pay on that. So this is, we just make it easy for our students and the parents because we all have financial hardships that we face with. Thank you.
Yeah. Ruta,
Na via toe whailoa tu lava numero telefoni o le lua tasi ono fitu tasi o le website al USP o le www.usp.ac.fj. Tai lava.
O le whape whangaso nei tatou orientation, a lai whawau wala tatou stala.
Sa o le le wai a mata fo ile wai tu anga lona lua le baso fo le songa fua ai lo whawawina pe ia resalanga mo le whangata le baso fo le sfaraile.
E tā ua le stala i luma mai pe so se mea.
Ia, olo kusa pe te latu fo le aso le whangata ai olo tatala I pe le ava noa.
Kusa ala pe o le o misi mai le si vaenga le tala le stala. Okay, ia. Mai mo foi mar whafonga me le tunu ruta i si me tia sau noa ele I wha mai tatou po kalame ni tai au.
Nan koe wha manasa tu pe olo tatala le ava noa olo so se vaenga o mta upu e te fia mana o mia e te fia toi wha awina whela aunga lo o mole ava noa I USP ala fua.
Alo whaftai.